Hi guys, welcome back to the automation point. In this tutorial, we will see what is the cloud computing. So cloud computing is the on-demand availabilities of the compute power, database, storage services, application, and other IT resources via internet without direct active management by the user. Means without using direct active management of the cloud infrastructure, you will be able to you will be able to get compute power, databases, storage, means entire IT infrastructure you will be able to get via internet. Okay, so let's take one example. Today we want to host one application. We have a business plan where we are expecting 1,000 users. Okay, and for with that expectation, we have set up one infrastructure. Okay, to set up the IT infrastructure, definitely we will put some high speed computer. Okay, the web server means database server and web firewalls, all different things we need to put, and we need to hire one IT expert who can set up this infrastructure and who will be keep maintaining this infrastructure. Okay, so these all are the expensive things, guys, of course. Okay, so let's see what cloud computing says. So if you want to host any application, there is no need to worry to set up the IT infrastructure and to hire the IT guys and experts. What just you need to do? Just you need to avail the cloud computing services, means whatever services you needed, either compute power services, database and storage services. Just you need to avail the services and host your application on that the cloud. Okay, so this within a day, within an hour, you will be able to create one infrastructure and you will be able to host the application. Let's say tomorrow your business is running very good and now your business is in demand, so you want to scale up your business, and then you are expecting the user count more than 1,000, means 2,000 and 3,000. Okay, in this case, what we can do, if we are setting our own premises infrastructure, definitely we need to purchase all the IT components, so hardware and software. We need to invest the money there, and then we will be able to scale up. And so it is a time taking process again. But if you are using the cloud computing, what you need to do? Just you need to ask to scale up the services, and within an hour and minute you can scale up the services, and as much resource you will use, that much cost you need to pay. Okay, so this way cloud computing supports, means to create the IT infrastructure, guys. So who has popularized this cloud computing? Okay, so Amazon has released a elastic compute cloud product in 2006, and since then this cloud computing is the buzzword of the market, and everyone is try to adopt the cloud computing, and most of the companies now they directly and indirectly using the cloud computing. And also a lot of the service competitors, Amazon competitors now are in the market, like Azure, and Google is also claiming to bring their cloud services. Okay, guys, so but first of all, Amazon has popularized this cloud computing services just by bringing their elastic compute cloud product in 2006. Okay, guys, so generally what cloud benefits we get from the cloud? Cloud computing allows companies to avoid or minimize upfront IT infrastructure cost and boost adoptions of the agility through the CI and CD. So in this way, guys, I have covered what is the cloud computing, who has popularized the cloud computing, and what is the general benefit of the cloud computing, how it minimizes the cost and boosts the agilities. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe, share and like these channels to keep getting updates on functional tools, automation functional tools, and DevOps tools, and on cloud to get the cloud tutorials. Thank you once again, guys.